I got a bad feeling about this.
AGFILMS.
Another day. I just finished work. I had a DPD visiting me today with some good stuff for me. This is Eibach lowering kit for this BMW. So let's go install it. So now I'm going on a lift and we will try to put my Eibach springs to lower the car. I think the front is 45-50 and the back ones are like 35, I think, something like that. So yeah, I didn't go for coilovers because I have too much wide wheels and they are too much inside. They're from original strut, shock. It's like already like 1 centimeter. And if I put coilovers, then they will be next to the shock because the shock goes lower. So inside of the disc would be literally over for like 2 centimeters over the shock. So I would need to move my wheels out for another 2 centimeters. They are already 2 centimeters out, so it would be 4. So even with huge camber, it would be already ugly. So I know I just my daily, so I don't want to fuck it up too much. So I'm just going for a bit more, you know, nicer look, but still drivable. So let's try. I hope it will be not really ruined, right? But yeah. Funny that after having many old cars, I realized that in new ones you literally need to take everything as possible from the back. That kind of sucks. Okay, interior is removed. There's shocks. And this thingy. I need to mount this one, that one, then from outside. Ludo is working on the front. So didn't have much time to film because we're kind of in a hurry. So the back, we already have the spring. We didn't attach anything properly yet. New shocks because mine was absolutely dead. Front is also in progress. Here, new springs. Nothing is connected yet, so other side is not even started. The back, I'm already in progress. Front we will do. So for this moment, this is the update. So yeah, we'll continue to work, but don't have much time for filming, so I will show you the result later.
It's not too bad.
That's it?
Without,
Huh?
it's free. It's on the. Its wheel gap is horrible.
It's still a big gap.
Take it. I think you must somehow ride it with it because
Yeah, it will
you
get a
must
little bit lower, yeah.
Get down. This is more than on the front.
Front is originally usually like bigger. I mean, it's not so bad, but yeah, it could be better. It's not that bad actually. It actually got even lower after I went out. See? It's not so bad. Front is of course higher, so it is. But there is actually no gap. Yeah. So, yeah. So it actually looks much better than it inside. I like it. Go. So I took it for a first spin after the new suspension. First of all, the car got lower. Then I was a bit disappointed in the workshop. I thought, no much change. No, there is change and quite like visible change. Half of the rear tire is hidden already under the fender. Front one is somewhere around with the tire. So I mean, it's good, it's good. I can still drive it normally in the streets. It's not too low. And people were scaring me that these Eibach springs will be like, you know, too much, kind of stiff and uncomfortable, and I will try to, oh, you probably don't see me well, and I will try to have problems there, but no, I have no problems, everything's good. Yep. My car is already stands, kinda, let's call it stands, but yeah, it's still too high. So I came to BMW meeting and just to show and to see other cars. Let's see. Nice clean E30 Cabrio. That's not BMW. Nice clean E34. More people coming. So yeah, BMW Club of Prague, Czech Republic. Oh, this one is nice. Really nice E46 Cabrio facelift. Nice lip, sorry, and right interior. The Z is nice. Oh, we have newer cars a bit in here as well. So it's Friday today. I finished work. I was really tired, and okay, I decided whatever, I need to go do my lip, you know, to finish it and everything. Well, eventually, funny thing, and I end up literally just cleaning, wiping the whole garage because it was dirty as hell. And yeah, that's what we have now. Yeah, much better, right? And some chill zone, which didn't exist before, so now I have it. So yeah, it's not a big garage, but you know, enough for me alone. It's fine. And tomorrow then, I'm going to do the lip. It's laying here. So yeah, it's there. So yeah, I will try to do it. If I'm lucky, then I will prepare and paint it tomorrow. And on Sunday morning, I would like to put it back on the car and see how it looks. Also, by the way, I have this huge diffuser, which I tried already to a little bit assemble next to the car. I have some things which I need to do before I try to actually mount it, but it actually seems like it could look good. I mean, it's something different. Many people will say it's rice or something like that because it's not like BMW things, not Schnitzel or this M-Paket or stuff like that. But I mean, guys, everybody's doing that. Let's do something different, just to try. Like, I mean, you anytime can remove it, so like, why not? If it will look good, it will look good. If it won't, I will remove it myself. So yeah, and the car is mine. I drive it, not you. So I mean, I'm interested what you think, but if I will like it, I will like it, you know. So yeah, let's try to do it. And yeah. So yeah, garage is clean, so now we're having a little party here.